HooplaKidz.
I am a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. I am a bird, not a carrot. I come in different bright colours. Orange, red, blue, green and others. I am a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. I am known to be a good mimic.
Hello?
I'm pretty quick in learning a trick. I repeat exactly what you teach, be it one word or two or a whole speech. I am a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. For a bird who likes the taste of chili, don't you think that it's quite silly to give me a name like Polly? I am a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. I am loud when I get angry. Screech when I am hungry. I can pick up things with my feet. You will be proud with the way I greet. I am a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. A cage is not where I wish to be. Like other birds, I want to be free. If you see me in one, set me free. Now that you know a thing or two about me, it's your turn to repeat after me. On the count of 1, 2, 3, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Good job, Polly. I am a bee. B-E-E-B. I live in either a hive or a colony with my very, very big family. Our leader is called the queen bee. She is sweet and not a mean bee. I am a bee. A B-E-E-B. I make honey that is sweet and not sour from the nectar of a flower. I have quite a sharp sting that can hurt anyone, even a king. I am a bee. B-E-E-B. We are the only insects that make food that you can eat. We keep our home really clean and neat. We are grounded and kicked out if we are messy. Even as a baby we are kept very busy. I am a bee. B-E-E-B. When we want to talk to each other, we do a special dance. We wag our tail or go round and round and round in a trance. Have you heard the sound I make? Buzz, buzz. Do you know I never ever take a snooze? Snooze? I am a bee. B-E-E-B. I like flowers that are purple, yellow, and blue. I would love to spend more time with you, but I have lots and lots of work to do. So repeat after me. Bee. B-E-E-B. You are amazing, honey. I am a fish. F-I-S-H, fish. I breathe and live deep inside water. In the sea, pond, lake and river. There are different kinds of fish. Most of us can be made into a tasty dish. I am a fish. F-I-S-H, fish. We are really huge or very small. The great whale shark is the biggest of them all. I am a fish. F-I-S-H, fish. A group of fish is called a school. Our world is full of color, ain't that cool? We have hands that are called fins. They look like pretty wings. I am a fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Let me tell you, I can swim really well. Not everyone likes the way I smell. Just remember, I rhyme with the word wish. So let's say it together one more time. Fish. F-I-S-H, fish. That's what I am. Fish.
I am a tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Bright and green. Tall and lean. Years and years I have to grow. I was born from the seed you sow. I am a tree. T-R-E-E, tree. I have a trunk that's thick and strong. Shoots and leaves that are short or long. Hide behind me and take a peek when you play hide and seek. I am a tree. T-R-E-E, tree. If it's pouring rain or the blazing sun, you can play in my shade and have loads of fun. I am a tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Birds use me as their home when they build their nest. That's where they come when they need to rest. I have so much more to say, but that's enough for today. Spell me on the count of 3. Tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Tra-la-la-la, tree. You deserve a tree hug.
Psst. I am an ant. A-N-T, ant. I am an insect that is really, really tiny. I live with my family and friends in a big, big colony. I am an ant. A-N-T, ant. I have 6 tiny legs that are very, very strong. If I am a red ant and I bite you, it sure is gonna sting, and that is true. I am an ant. A-N-T, ant. Like you, I love to eat anything that is sweet. I do not have ears, but I hear with my feet. I am an ant. A-N-T, ant. Touching one another is how me and my friends talk. Moving in a straight line is how we like to walk. I am an ant. A-N-T, ant. Some of us ants like to sleep 7 hours a day. We have 2 stomachs, by the way. So spell me once again. Don't say you can't. I'm easy to say. I'm an A-N-T, ant.
HooplaKidz.